Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we will study about solving exponential equations and exponential inequalities. How to solve an exponential equation? A property that you have to know in solving exponential equation is what we call the one-to-one property, which states that if b raised to x equals b raised to y, then we can say that the exponents are equal. Same thing with x is not equal to y, then b raised to x is not equal to b raised to y. For example, if 3 raised to x plus 2 equals 3 cubed, then x plus 2 equals 3. It follows that x equals 1. Let us use the property in solving example number 1. Solve the equation 3 raised to 2x minus 1 equals 27. Note that 27 can be written as 3 cubed. Hence, the equation will be 3 raised to 2x minus 1 equals 3 cubed. Applying the one-to-one property, we can equate the exponents such as 2x minus 1 equals 3. Solving for x, applying the addition property of equality, then we have 2x equals 4. Then applying the MPE, we can have x equals 2. To check if 2 is correct, we can substitute 2 to the x or to the variable of the original equation, such as 3 raised to 2 times 2 minus 1, is it equal to 27? Okay, simplifying the powers, the exponent, we have 3. 2 times 2 minus 1 is 3. Okay, therefore we have 3 cubed equal basta 27. Okay, we know that evaluating the left side, we know that 3 cubed is 27. Okay, therefore, we can say that our answer is correct. Let's have another example. Solve the equation 25 raised to x minus 2 equals 1 over 125 raised to negative x plus 3. To apply the one-to-one property, we must have the same bases. We can write 25 as the base of 5, which is 25 equals 5 squared. And 1 over 125, we can write this with the base 5 with exponent negative 3. Therefore, we can have the equation 5 squared raised to x minus 2 equals 5 raised to negative 3 raised to negative x plus 3. Applying the power to power law of the exponent, we can have 5 raised to 2x minus 4 equals 5 raised to 3x minus 9. Since we have now the same base, we can now equate the exponents. 2x minus 4 equals 3x minus 9. Applying the addition property of equality, we can have 2x minus 3x equals negative 9 plus 4. Then evaluating the equation, we will have negative x plus equals negative 5. Solving for x, multiplying both sides by negative 1, therefore we have x equals 5. What if we can't use the one-to-one property? Like for this example, solve the equation 2 raised to 2x plus 1 equals 5. In this case, we cannot express 5 an exponential expression with the base 2. In this case, we're going to use the logarithm. We take the log of both sides, which is equal to log of 2 raised to 2x plus 1 equals log of 5. Applying the power of logarithm, we can express the left side as 2x plus 1 times log of 2, which is equal to log of 5. Dividing both sides by the log of 2, we will have 2x plus 1 equals log of 5 over log of 2. Okay? Looking at your calculator, evaluating the right side of the equation, we will have 2x plus 1 equals 2.321980. Okay, adding both sides by negative 1, Okay, then we will have 2x is equal to 1.321980. Solving for x, approximately we will have x is approximately 0.660964. How about solving exponential inequality? Remember that exponential inequality is an inequality that involves exponential expressions. In solving exponential inequality, you will use this property. It states that when a, which is the base, is greater than 1, the exponential inequality a raised to x less than a raised to y is true if and only if x is less than y. And when the a is greater than 0 but less than 1, the exponential inequality a raised to x is less than a raised to y is true if and only if x is greater than y. It means that when a is greater than 0 or less than 1, or fraction or decimal which is less than 1, the inequality is being reversed. For example, find the solution set of 144 raised to 2 minus 5x less than or equal to 12. To make it the same base, note that 144 can be written as 12 square. Therefore, we will have the equation 12 square raised to 2 minus 5x less than or equal to 12 raised to 1. Applying the power to power law, we will have 12 raised to 4 minus 10x less than or equal to 12 raised to 1. Applying the 1-to-1 property, we can have 4 minus 10x less than or equal to 1. Then, applying the addition property of equality, we will have negative 10x less than or equal to negative 3. In solving inequality, we know that when we multiply both sides by a negative c, then the inequality will reverse. Therefore, we will have x is greater than or equal to 3 over 10. Therefore, we can say that the solution set is the set from 3 over 10 to positive infinity. To check, let us get the 3 over 10 since the inequality is equal, then 3 over 10 is included on your solution set. Let us use 3 over 10. Substitute that to the x of the original inequality. We will have 144 raised to 2 minus 5 times 3 over 10. Is it less than or equal to 12? Okay. Simplifying the exponent, we will have 2 minus 5 over 3 over 10 or equals to 3 halves. Then 2 minus 3 halves, that is equal to 1 half. And we know that 144 raised to 1 half is equal to 12. Therefore, we can say that 3 over 10 is included in your solution set. How about greater than 3 over 10? Let us try 1. Substitute 1 to the x of the original inequality. We have 144 raised to 2 minus 5 times 1 less than or equal by 12. Simplifying the exponent, we have 144 raised to negative 3. And we know that 144 raised to negative 3 is equal to 1 over 144 raised to 3, which is, we know that that is less than to 12. Another example, find the solution set of 1/8 raised to 7x minus 2 greater than 1 over 64 raised to 14 minus 4x. Note that 1 over 64 can be written as 1/8 square. Therefore, we will have the inequality 1/8 raised to 7x minus 2 greater than 1/8 square raised to 14 minus 4x. Applying the power to power law on the left side of the inequality, we will have 1/8 raised to 7x minus 2 greater than 1/8 raised to 28 minus 8x. Applying the 1-to-1 property, we can say that 7x minus 2 is less than 28 minus 8x. Solving for the solution set, we will have 15x less than 30. Therefore, we can say that x is less than 2. Or, the solution set will be from negative infinity to positive 2. Excluded yung 2 kasi walang